Well, we're one round into the East Coast Supercross, and we already have some drama, quote unquote. As you can see here, Austin Forkner, who got passed by Phil Nicoletti, did a little bit of a different rhythm lane and then just cleaned him out. I mean, took the far inside, jumped right through the corner, and just bodied him. And if you watch this clip, you can find it. There's a couple different variations of what he said, something about kill or skill or, a whole bunch of other things, but um, obviously, Austin Forkner has some things to prove this year that he can, one, stay healthy, and two, win races, and, the last 4 years aren't who he is as a rider, but this is not the way to start, but especially, Filthy Phil is probably not someone you want on your enemies list, quote unquote, but tell me what you think. Was it dirty? Was it clean? Do you think whatever, it's for a pass? And I mean, it was a heat race, so it wasn't even the main, but tell me what you think, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.